Good afternoon, student. Standard 10 student. As I asked, today I am going to start the new chapter 12, because it is also related to the coordinate geometry. Right? That's why let us continue this one. Then, after completing this one, next chapter I will start. So, in coordinate geometry, first of all, you must know, like 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. You have studied in standard 9. When you plot this type of equation on the graph paper, always you are getting a straight line. Whatever the sign, plus or minus. If it is given 2x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. This also, when you will represent it on the graph paper, you will get a straight line. It means any equation written in this form is always represent an equation of a straight line. You follow? And you have solved the simultaneous equation also. What? 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. 2x minus y is equal to minus 7. So this one, two equation also. This represents a straight line. This also represents a straight line. So any equation written in this form always represents an equation of a straight line. So general form, we can write the general form of the equation of a straight line. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Always represent an equation of a straight line. Whatever the sign, plus or minus, where a, b, c is constant and x and y are variable. Is it? What is ABC? ABC is constant and x and y are variable. This is to recognize the equation of a straight line. Now, certain conditions. First, this is x-axis and y-axis. If a line is parallel to x-axis, say this is parallel to x-axis. In this case, what is the equation of that? So see, when parallel to this distance will always remain constant, because lines are parallel. Say it is a. So what a? A is actually equal to y is equal to a. Y value is equal to a. This is the equation of line. Or we can write that y minus a is equal to 0. This is the equation of line when the lines are parallel to x-axis. Is it? What is this? Y is equal to a is constant, any value may be, or we can write y minus a is equal to 0. Always represent the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. Now say, suppose this is 5. What do you mean? We can write y is equal to 5 or y minus 5 is equal to 0. This always represent an equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. Is it clear? Now, what happens if a line parallel to y-axis? See here. This is a line parallel to y-axis. The y-axis, then this distance will be constant. Say x is equal to 3. This is b. So x is equal to b or x is equal to minus b is equal to 0. Represent equation of line parallel to y-axis. Hey. It equation of line parallel to y-axis. Suppose this is 3. We can write x is equal to 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. Is the equation of line parallel to y-axis. So I explain you how to recognize the straight line. Then if a straight line parallel to x-axis, what is the equation? If a straight line parallel to y-axis, what is the equation? This one. Now come to another important point which you have studied in standard 9 also. This is x, this is y, this is negative x, negative y. This line AB. This line AB, straight line AB makes an angle with the x-axis. Remember, if a line makes an angle with the x-axis in positive direction means anti-clockwise, not clockwise. Anti-clockwise, if a line makes an angle with the x-axis only, not with the y-axis, with the x-axis anti-clockwise, then it is known as slope. And this inclination, say this inclination is theta, denoted by theta. So this is known as slope. And this is denoted, slope is denoted by m. This is equal to theta, and this is equal to tan theta. Sorry, this is equal to tan theta. This is equal, also known as, this is equal to tan theta. This is also known as gradient. And this is also equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Once again, what is slope? If a line makes an angle with the x-axis in positive direction. What is positive direction? Anti-clockwise direction is a positive direction. Then it is known as slope. Slope is denoted by m. It is equal to tan theta. It is also known as the gradient, and it is also equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And the line which cuts the y-axis. See, this line cuts the y-axis at L. Then this is origin LO. This much portion cut by the line AB on the y-axis. This is denoted by C, known as y-intercept. What we say? Y-intercept. And that is denoted by C. So if a line cuts on the y-axis, that is known as y-intercept, and it is denoted by C. Now the question, when we will use this form? First, suppose inclination given 45 degree. We have to find the slope. Naturally, we will use tan theta. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So slope is 1. What is the slope? M. That is 1. If A suppose 1, 2 and B 3, 1 given, we have to find the slope. So when two coordinates are given, to find the slope M, we will use this form. This one, 2n, y2. Suppose anyone x1, y1, anyone x2, y2. x2 I have taken y2, 1 minus 1 by, take another value, don't take 1, 4. 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 2. So m is equal to 3 by 1, means slope is 3. So this form we will use to find the slope. When theta is given, we will use tan theta and put the value of angle, that will be the slope. When two coordinates are given, then to find the slope we will use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Anyone suppose x1 y1, anyone suppose x2 y2. Then put this value in the given formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and that will give slope. Remember, slope means that the line makes an angle with the x-axis only. With the x-axis in positive direction. Which one is the positive direction? Anti-clockwise direction is the positive direction. Right. Thank you very much. Some more detail I will explain you in the next.